Synco has been one of the most leading brands when it comes to audio devices like shotgun mics, wireless mics and many more. Recently, we have reviewed the Synco M Mic Q3. That was a bullet microphone which can be perfectly used by mobile video vloggers, which will give you an immense good quality rather than using lapel mic or inbuilt microphones in phone. And now in today's video we have a wireless microphone set from Synco, the Synco P1. There are two versions of it. This is Synco P1T for Android and Synco P1L for Apple. Nowadays, the phones are capable of shooting high quality videos but lacks in recording audio, and for the people who shoot vlogs, high quality audio is a must need equipment. Here is when the Synco P1 will be perfect to use. The transmitter that comes with this is very powerful. It can transmit audio up to 164 feet away, even there are obstacles standing in the way, and 492 feet in just a line of sight. With this microphone, the Synco is using its acoustic noise cancelling technology, which removes the low frequency noise and provides a clean sound result. Before heading ahead, let's check out the box content. Here we get the user manual. Underneath we have our charging case coming with the microphone set. Beneath this, we have the charging Type-C cable and a Type-C to 3.5mm jack converter. This set comes with one transmitter and one receiver. The receiver mounts directly to the phone, providing the right connection, and the microphone transmitter can easily clip on your shirt like this, and now you're ready to record your voice. You can even use the converter to plug in headphones for real-time monitoring. This microphone will provide you 5 hours of usage time in a single charge, and with the case the user can get up to 15 hours of recording time. The microphone activates 9 creative sound effects by a single button on the receiver. Let's check these effects out. These effects are easy to function. There is a button on the side of the receiver. Just tap it once and it will cycle through all the effects. This is the studio effect, which will resemble that you are talking in a large room. This is called as the KTV effect, more like a karaoke effect. This is voice amplification. This is electronic dance music, also called as the EDM effect.
This is the baby effects. This is the most funniest one I found out. This will turn your voice into a female version. It's more fun to play around.
This is the female to male voice effect. As I'm already a male, this is amplifying my voice a bit more.
This is the monster effect, more likely to use to create horror sound effects.
This will go back to normal one. And in case if you accidentally tap on the button and you don't know that on which voice effect it is, just take out the receiver and plug it back, and by default it will switch to the normal one. The pairing of this is pretty easy and simple. Just connect the receiver to your phone slot and see the LED light is blinking, and as soon as you pull out the transmitter from the charging case, that will start syncing to the receiver, and it will show you in a synchronized LED lighting form. Now your wireless microphone set are ready to use. About the sound test, this is how it will sound like if you record from the phone, and this is how it will sound like if you use the Synco P1. Definitely it's a big difference, and even I'm far away, the voice quality is still the same. So this was all about the Synco wireless microphone. I hope you like this video. Share this with the ones who love to shoot video blogs, and this can definitely change their game. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.